Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making jollof rice, and you know jollof rice is an African thing. It's not Jamaican thing, but Jamaican cook something similar which we call seasoned rice. So I'm gonna attempt of making jollof rice, guys, and I'm just gonna use some simple ingredients for this rice. And yeah, I'm just gonna do it out of my head. I won't be looking at any jollof rice video or anything. I'm just doing it from my head. Okay, so right, so we're gonna get started, right guys? And you know jollof rice is kind of a bit red, so I think you have to use everything red. So I choose everything red. So yes, so over here I've got some rice, I've got some tomatoes, like 2.5 tomatoes, 2 red onions, I got 3/4 red bell pepper, tomato puree, garlic, and red bell pepper, scotch bonnet, right? But you know Africans said, oh, pepe. So yes, guy, we cooking jollof rice. So and to all my aunties and uncles out there, please tell me how I did. Right, so what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna prep all of these, wash them in some vinegar, apple cider vinegar, because I like to wash my fruits or veg in apple cider vinegar. And then I'm gonna blend the tomato, onion, garlic, and the scotch bonnet pepper together. But I'm gonna take you along with me. So I see you then, guys. So over here, guys, I've got my blender, and I'm gonna add 2 cloves of garlic in there, 1 onion, red onions, and the tomato and the red bell pepper. And I'm also gonna add some water and blend it all. And I'm gonna add the scotch bonnet, guys, but I'm not gonna use too much because why? Me not like spice. Too much pepper, it's not for me. I'm afraid of pepper, guys. Too much spice, So I'm just gonna use this amount. And then I want to touch it, because whenever I touch pepper, guys, it burn me all over. So even if it doesn't touch my foot start burn me. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some alkaline water to this, and then we're gonna blend because we're gonna use this in the jollof rice. I think I'm making it my way. So yes, so guys, I'm gonna take you along, so I'll see you then. So guys, after it's blended, this is how it looks. This is the color it got at the moment. So I think that is all right. So what I'm about to do now, guys, I'm gonna put the pot on. I think the tomato puree is gonna help bring out, you know, the color. So we're gonna see. So over here, guys, I've got my pot on already. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some oil to the pot, like 1 tablespoon of oil. And I've got some purple onion. I'm gonna saute in the oil so they become soft. So I'm just gonna add that in. As I said before, I'm cooking it my way. So all my aunties and uncles out there, please tell me how I did. Oh, hey, if I did fine. Oh, so I'm just gonna let this saute off, guys, before I added the puree in. So now, guys, my onions soft. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some tomato puree in there. Help this to bring out the color for the jollof rice, because it's supposed to have that red color, right? So let's see. And I'm using like 3 tablespoons of the tomato puree, and I'm gonna mix it in with the onions. Smells good so far. I can see the color. Can you see it, guys? So yes, So I'm gonna allow that now, and then I'm gonna pour in the liquid. So I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and I'm gonna pour all this that I blended, the tomato and bell pepper, garlic, and the scotch bonnet pepper, onions in there, and I'm gonna bring that to a boil for about 4 minutes while I'm gonna go ahead and wash my rice. So now we start to boil, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add 3 bay leaves, pinch of black pepper, a teaspoon of salt, and I'm also gonna add some all-purpose, some vegan all-purpose in there. It's not a lot, and yeah, to just spicy up, right? Give it that flavor that it needs. As I said, I'm just cooking it my way. So I'm just adding that amount of vegan all-purpose with the bay leaves. That's gonna even help bring out the flavor more in there. So in the next step, guys, is when you're gonna see I'm gonna add the rice to the pot. So now I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and I'm gonna add the rice to the pot. And make sure you wash your rice properly, guys, until the water become white, right? I don't know if I could use wild rice, because as I said, I don't really eat white rice, but this is how I see the Nigerians they cook back then with the white rice. So yes, this is the rice I think they use, so I have to use it, right? And this is my way of cooking jollof rice. So let's see how it comes out, the taste and everything. So if you want to add meat, I think you can go ahead and do so. But to all my new subscribers, I do not eat meat. I'm a vegan. I only eat plant-based food. So that's the reason why I'm cooking it this way. So after adding the rice, I'm gonna mix everything together. Yes, but it smells so good, guys. And then you can go ahead and give it a taste to see what you need, if you need salt or whatever. But for me, I'm not gonna add any more salt to it because I'm not a salt fan. I'm more of an ital fan. So I'm gonna put back the lid on, guys, and I'm gonna let that cook on low heat because I don't want it to burn. Once you put the rice in, you put it on low heat. So I'll see you in my next episode. So guys, this is how the jollof rice is looking at the moment, and I went ahead and I have a taste. It tasted so good, and yes, it still got that, you know, that strongly smell, like yes, like the Nigerian jollof rice. Yes, and I think it's because of the bell pepper why it's like that, or the tomato puree, whatever, but it tastes good. It really tastes good. So I can't wait for it to finish now. I'm just gonna give it another 4 minutes and then yeah, it's all done. So you will see, guys. So guys, here's the finished product of my jollof rice. I'm having it with some sweet and sour iced mushrooms, avocado, roasted potato, tomato, and cucumber. So, to all my Yoruba people from Nigeria, Niger, please let me know how I did. If I cooked that jollof rice good, I think I did fine. Oh, I did fine. Oh, it tastes so good. Oh, so guys, if you're Jamaican and you want to try jollof rice, please go ahead and make it at home. It's really delicious. And there's no meat or anything in mine because if you're new to my channel, I'm a vegan. I want to eat plant-based food. So yes, I do not eat meat. All right, guys. So guys, you know already, health is wealth. And to all my returning subscribers, I see you guys. Appreciate you. To all my new subscribers, I see you guys. I'm really thankful. I'm grateful. So guys, don't forget to like, share, comment. Please turn your post notification bell on so whenever I upload, you won't miss the video. And I will be uploading videos each and every Monday, so please look out for that. So, when you're already, big up on yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, guys, thanks for watching. Bye, yo. I think Nigerian, they would say if it's night, they say Odaro. If it's morning, they say Ekaru. Bye.